Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to publish Google Slides on web. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just go to Google Slides. So Google Slides is a free application. So once I click here, my Google Slides will be open here. So I have created some slides over here. I just want to share this slides into web. So to publish into the web using the link, what I have to do here, simple and easiest tip I just want to share with you. On your file menu, just go to share option. Once you click a share option, there will be a publish to web will be there. So you can publish the entire slides into the web. What you have to do here, just hit the button publish to web. Automatically it will ask you for the link. So advanced link will be there. Every 3 seconds defaultly it will be slides over there. So start slides soon player loaded or restart, you can give according to your need. You can give the thing and your link will be ready here. So you can select here. So this is your link. You can copy the link and you can paste anywhere else. For example, I just want to paste somewhere else to view the slides. Automatically the slides only view, there is no edit option will be there. I just open some other Chrome browser and I just paste this one. So automatically my slides will be published on the web. So I can able to view, so that I can able to scroll down and scroll up. I can able to see what are the slides, but I can't able to edit because this is a publish on the web. So using this URL you can copy and paste for your social media or any other purpose you can use. For example, I just want to embed this one. For example, I just have the website, I just want to embed this slides, means just go to embed option. So to copy this framework and you can paste over there in your embed work. For example, I just want to edit something, so I just have the slides over here. So I just want to edit the slides like HowXT KG welcome, like that I can edit, means while I see that slides automatically it will update. So just refresh means automatically the slides will be update. Yes, KG welcome is there, so I can able to see. So what are you are updating here, automatically it will be in a live page, it will update. So simple and easiest tip, you can publish your site. Just go to file menu and share and publish on web. You can publish your website with this option. So you can copy and paste this URL, you can publish your things. If you want to stop publish this option, just click here to stop publish. Automatically your document will be stop publishing. Now you can go to the same link and refresh, means the publishing will be error, that is it won't show the any type of content. So simple and easiest tip, you can share your slides using this publish option and you can edit whenever whatever you want and you can share with your clients. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.